Hey, my name's Brian, and welcome back to BK Video. Alright, today we're going to go into this conservation area. We're going to wander off into the trees, and we're going to take our first little camping trip of the year. In case you're wondering, this right here behind me is where we're going to go. Now, since this is the first trip of the year, I'd really like for things to go smoothly. So, going back somewhere I've been before, same conservation area. I'm going to take a look at the same spot I was at before. If it's still decent enough area, then I'll stop there. If not, there's a couple other areas that we can take a quick look at. Well, the sun is going to go down soon, so I don't want to spend a whole lot of time out here looking for an area. Now, one of the reasons I do want to hurry along and just find a spot, get camp set up, is I don't know if you can see it around me. It is raining. Everything is wet. So I just want to get in, get set up, get my tarp set up overhead, keep the rain off of us. And then probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours, they are saying the rain should stop. But just in case it continues to rain longer or starts again through the night, we're going to set up a tarp overhead anyway and try and keep us dry. Alright, we're going to keep moving. We're not going to stay still too much. Stop for just a moment, and mosquitoes get pretty intense because of all this rain. So we're going to hurry up, find a spot. I do got some bug spray in my bag. Get that out. Get myself sprayed right down with it. Get a tarp up. I got some citronella candles and some mosquito coils will get burning. See what we see there we go. And we'll get some citronella candles and some mosquito coils burning, and see if we can get some of these mosquitoes under control. So turn these around. So we'll turn these around and we'll show you where we are going. Alright, I'll keep you guys up front and keep showing you where we're going. Hopefully the mosquitoes don't continue to be as bad as they are. I'm getting the shit chewed out of me right now. So hopefully when I can stop, get some bug spray on, mellows out. If not, then I don't know what we're gonna do. Alright, we're gonna go with plan B. I'm getting chewed up in here really bad. Not worth it with this rain and the mosquitoes. Alright, I could deal with one or I could deal with the other, but I'm not gonna put up with both of them tonight. So we're gonna turn this into more of a spend the night in my car video. And I know a lot of people on YouTube are starting to do them ones. So we're gonna find a spot. Son of a bitch. So we are going to find a spot where we won't be noticed very well. We're gonna spend the night, and we're gonna spend the night in my car. Alright, with this rain, the mosquitoes in here are just way too bad. I've gotten probably a good 10-15 mosquito bites between being on my forehead and both of my hands. I'm gonna tell you, the ones on my hands are hurting like a son of a bitch right now. So all I want to do is get out of these woods, get to a mosquito-free zone, and then we'll see what happens with the night from there. So until I'm in a mosquito-free zone and I'm safe from the little bloodsuckers, we'll see you after. Alright, well, our first camping adventure for the year is a fail. The first day we had available, we could actually get out and do it. It decided it wanted to rain. Rain too much, too hard. It's got the mosquitoes all fired up, going crazy. And between the two, it's just too much to bother trying to handle. Now, tonight did turn into a fail, but we are going to salvage the night. I'm going to spend the night in my car. I'm going to find a nice, out-of-the-way side road where we can hang out, spend the night, and see what happens from there. So, I decided to salvage the rest of the night, make this video, and we're going to spend the night in my car. So right now I'm just sitting in a park waiting for the sun to start to go down a little bit, and then I'm gonna go find a spot where we can park on the side of the road. A few things laid out in my back seat. I'm gonna get that all cleaned up and tossed into the trunk, and then we're gonna try and get as comfortable as we can. Maybe watch some Netflix on my phone, and see if we can't get away with just spending the night on the side of the road. So we're just gonna kick back, relax at the park here, and very shortly, like I said, I'll be heading out, and we'll get this video going again when I get to our destination. Alright, so here we are, we're parked on a side street, ready to take the overnight challenge on a residential street in our car. I've got pretty much everything I need. Got my little sleeping bag, my inflatable pillow. I have a small light blanket here just in case. A bunch of bottles of water, some things to munch on, some Netflix shows downloaded onto my phone. The only thing I don't have is tinted windows. So I'm probably gonna have to just keep watching out to make sure no one's spotting me in my car with any kind of lights on. So I've pretty much picked a road that was somewhat secluded, not very well used, or not very oftenly used, except for this car that's coming at us now. Alright, so I'm going to get my sleeping bag and blanket, everything settled up in the back seat there. I'm going to get settled in, watch a little TV on, or I'm going to watch a little Netflix, and we'll take a little update on what time it is, where we're at, what's happening around us. And we'll see if we're going to stay in this spot tonight or not. So we're going to hang out here for a bit, see what I can find to watch, and we'll see you in a little while. Alright, so it's morning now. There was no update video last night since I laid down, started watching some videos and fell asleep and did not wake up again until this morning. So all in all, last night turned out to be somewhat of a success. Made it through the night. No complaints, no people bothering me, no nothing. So I'm gonna pack it in, head home, and call it a day. Alright, so if you like this video, you want to see some more like it, then hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell button, give it a thumbs up, and you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. So, until I see you in the next video, keep getting outside, doing some exploring yourself, and enjoy what's around you.